How to become a good moral agent? For my answer is, dapat ay isa sa mga importante upang maging mabuting moral agent is magkaroon ng self-awareness. Self-awareness sa actions natin, sa mga ginagawa natin. And dapat aware tayo kung paano nakaka-affect yun sa ibang tao. In a way na kaya natin alagaan yung reputation and yung personal values natin sa paningin ng ibang tao. And pangalawa, dapat meron tayong integrity and accountability sa mga decisions natin. So, dapat meron tayong makatotohanan at merong outcome na mabuti sa lahat ng decision man natin na gagawin. So, dapat magkaroon rin tayo ng accountability sa mga decisions na nagagawa natin. Yes, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga pagkakamali and dapat hindi natin ito biniblame sa ibang bagay o ibang tao or situations man. Dapat kaya natin akuin kung ano man yung pagkakamaling nagagawa natin. Dahil dito, mas mapapabuti natin mas magiging better tayo as a person dahil sa mga next challenges or issues ay problems na ma-face natin. Mas magkakaroon na tayo ng lesson wherein mas magkakaroon na tayo ng guide upang makapag-desisyon ng mas mabuti dahil may mga natutunan na tayo sa mga past. What constitutes a good life? So for me, the question itself is very broad and napakalawak na ng perspective kasi bawat tao merong iba't ibang definition ng good life. But for me, having friends or having deep connections and meaningful connections to my friends and families is one of the definition of good life. Having self-growth, no, and freedom sa pagiging tao. Syempre, yung magkaroon ka ng free will and hindi naman porket free will na gumawa ka ng mga kasalanan, hindi naman siguro ganun. But free will to do what makes you happy. I think that's also having a good life. And yun na, self-growth. Hindi lang tayo basta-basta nabubuhay, kundi alam natin yung goal natin as a person in this life and our yun nga, goal na makamit. So we should also find our purpose in our life. I think that's also part of having a good life. Hindi lang siya basta pagiging masaya, but also the hardships, doing the work, and to earn that. After doing the hardships, no, ma-earn natin yung mga respect or kung ano man, and it feels so good, no? Basta parang ganun, if ever man. And ano pa ba? I think also having a good life, parang ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo at the same time nakakatulong sa ibang tao. Hindi siya nakakaapak, hindi siya nakakasira ng ibang tao, hindi nakakatulong. So I think that's also part of having a good life. And I think that's it. And for the last question is, what are our moral obligations to others? Of course, our moral obligations, no, sa ibang tao is to be respectful in their own opinions and personal point of views, no. Having moral intelligence or emotional intelligence is, I think that's one of the part of it. So not everyone is morally available or morally understanding. Syempre, may mga tao pa rin close-minded when it comes to certain discussions or personal point of view. So, dun yung nagkakatalo. But our moral obligations as a person, if we know what is a moral, what is having a moral, and the duty of being morally intellectual is to always understand other people in their own ways. We may not know the full story of them, but we should always have this deep understanding and yun nga, deep understanding to their own decisions and personal views, because hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung mga factors na nag-i-influence sa kanya kung bakit ayun yung nagiging decisions niya or something. Yeah, parang ayun lang naman.